There's a new AI buzzing all over the internet. It's called Clawbot, and today we're gonna break it down.
I mean, what if it could actually do stuff for you? That's the whole idea behind this thing.
See, this isn't running in the cloud. Clawbot lives right on your own machine. That's the key.
This slide nails it. It's the difference between just telling the AI what to do and it actually doing it.
You can literally control your computer from anywhere, just by shooting it a text. How wild is that?
Okay, so it's a personal assistant on your PC, but what can it really do? Let's get into it.
We're talking full access. It can read, write, delete, you name it, it can do it.
It also takes over your web browser to handle all those boring online chores for you.
Plus, it hooks into the apps you already use, Spotify, Google, even your smart home stuff.
Okay, but all this power, well, it comes with a pretty huge catch. Let's talk about the risks.
The source puts it bluntly. Giving an AI this much control can be really dangerous.
Think about it. Full access means it can see, well, everything. That's a huge security issue.
Because of this, the advice is crystal clear. Do not put this on your main computer.
All right, so the internet's buzzing about this, right? But we got to take a closer look here.
You'll see these amazing results online, but a lot of it might just be hype to get followers.
So for now, using this for work seems unlikely. You're balancing potential against major privacy problems.
So, is this the future, or is it just a risk that's not worth taking? That's the big question here.